Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. Today I have an unboxing of the Huawei Watch GT. So this is a smartwatch that Huawei says that should be pretty flexible for tracking your exercise and fitness needs, and also too should look good enough so if you want to put this on with a nice outfit, it should be able to blend in nicely with that. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing, and as I lifted the lid off, I was able to see the watch, and I'm going to just pull this flap over and take all the cables and things out of the box. So first, it does come with a USB-C cable, so you can plug this into the magnetic charger. And the other things inside of the box are just a bunch of documentation. We don't need to look at that. We don't need that stuff. But I'm gonna get to the watch itself now. And I would first say that this is a nice looking watch. It does look really good. And I like the fact that the main body of it is made out of stainless steel. It also does have some type of carbon coating as well to make it pretty strong. And then the bezel is made out of ceramic, so it should be pretty hard to scratch it. And overall, I would say that the watch is pretty lightweight. It doesn't have that much weight to it as well. And then they sent me the one that has the sports band, which is going to be made out of silicone, but they do offer a leather band option as well that is going to cost a little bit more but should be looking a little bit nicer. And the bands are very easy to take on and off. They have a little lever you just pull down and you'll be able to just pop that band off, and then you can put something else on it if you wanted to. And so the display that you get on this GT is a 1.39 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454, and it looks pretty good. I haven't taken it out to see how it performs in sunlight, but just indoors it's nice and bright. And then also too, this watch is running Huawei's Light OS, and it looks really good running on this this particular watch. Now, as far as navigating the OS on this watch, the watch does have a couple buttons on the right hand side that you can press in to be able to do some actions, but also too, you're going to be mostly probably just swiping up and down and left and right on the display. And so just at first glance, I would say that the OS is pretty simple to navigate. I didn't have any problems finding the settings or other apps that I was looking for. It did seem to slow down just a little bit when I was tapping and holding on the display to be able to change different watch faces. And so it's going to be things like this, and also focusing on how much this OS can really stand up to the likes of watchOS and Wear OS as far as performance and also the feature set. But one of the biggest strong points of this watch that is advertised is that how well it can help track your health and your fitness information. So it can do things like having a continuous heart rate monitor going, so you can always see that information, and also it can track your sleep patterns, and it does have GPS inside of it, so it'll be able to track your information like if you're going for runs and things like that. Now, as far as battery life, you should be able to get around 2 weeks of use with just normal use. So if you're using this thing to monitor your heart rate, and again, like I said before, with these sleep patterns and doing some exercise with it, and also having your notifications on, it should get you 2 weeks. And then if you didn't want to keep all of that stuff on all the time and just wanted to have your notifications and check your heart rate here and there and then work out just a little bit, you should be able to get around 30 days of use with this watch. And then if you were to turn everything on all at once for some reason, it will last you probably around like 22 hours or so. And so the battery life is definitely a good selling point for it. But when you do need to go charge it, again, you do have that magnetic charger that you can put it on, and that's a pretty strong hold to it, so it's not going to easily fall off. So yeah, you're getting sleepy. Close your eyes and subscribe to this channel. I don't know how you do that with your eyes closed. But anyway, guys, this is my unboxing of the new Huawei Watch GT. So yeah, I'm going to give this thing a nice little run, and I'll do a follow-up video just giving you my experiences of this watch to see how everything really holds up. But if you are interested in getting it, it is available for pre-order now. I think you can get it on Amazon and Newegg. And I think this version that comes with the silicone sports bands costs $199, and then the one that comes with the leather band costs $229. So yeah, this is my unboxing. Leave your comment down below what you think about this watch, and also let me know what current watch are you using right now. And also, as I said before I hypnotize you, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.